In Houston's competitive housing market, homeowners are always looking for smart upgrades that boost both comfort and resale value. One improvement that often delivers an impressive return is installing bow windows. Known for their elegant curves and expansive glass design, bow windows can significantly increase home value, especially in Houston neighborhoods where style, space, and energy efficiency matter. Boosting curb appeal in Houston homes' first impressions count, and bow windows instantly elevate a home's exterior appearance. Their graceful, outward curving structure adds architectural interest that flat windows simply can't match. In popular Houston neighborhoods, whether you're in a historic area like the Heights or a newer suburban community, homes with distinctive features stand out to buyers. Bow windows complement many architectural styles common in Houston, from traditional brick homes to modern builds. This added curb appeal often translates directly into higher perceived value, making your home more attractive to potential buyers before they even step inside. Creating more interior space and light. One of the most valuable benefits of bow windows is how they transform interior living spaces. By extending outward, they create additional square footage that homeowners can use for seating, storage, or decorative displays. In Houston, where families value open, airy interiors, this extra space is a major selling point. Bow windows also allow significantly more natural light to enter the home. Houston buyers love bright interiors that feel welcoming and spacious. Natural light not only enhances the look of a room but also makes it feel larger, an important factor when buyers are comparing multiple properties. Improving energy efficiency for Houston's climate. Houston's hot summers make energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners and buyers alike. Modern bow windows are designed with advanced glass options, including double or triple panes and low-E coatings, which help regulate indoor temperatures. By reducing heat transfer and improving insulation, bow windows can help lower energy bills, something Houston buyers actively look for when evaluating a home. Energy-efficient upgrades often increase resale value because buyers know they'll save money long after the purchase. Enhancing indoor-outdoor living. Houston homeowners enjoy blending indoor comfort with outdoor views, and bow windows excel at this. Their wide, panoramic design offers beautiful views of gardens, patios, or tree-lined streets, making living spaces feel connected to the outdoors. In neighborhoods where outdoor living is part of the lifestyle, this feature adds emotional value. Buyers aren't just purchasing a house. They're buying the experience of enjoying morning coffee in a sunlit nook or relaxing in a cozy window seat overlooking the yard. Standing out in a competitive market. In Houston's diverse real estate market, homes with unique, high-quality upgrades often sell faster and at higher prices. Bow windows are considered a premium feature, signaling that the homeowner invested in both aesthetics and functionality. Unlike purely cosmetic updates, bow windows offer long-term benefits, from energy savings to improved comfort. This combination makes them especially appealing to buyers who want move-in-ready homes with lasting value. A smart investment for Houston homeowners. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enhance your living space, bow windows are a strategic upgrade. They increase natural light, improve energy efficiency, add usable space, and elevate curb appeal, all factors that contribute to higher home value in Houston neighborhoods. For homeowners looking to make a meaningful improvement that blends beauty with practicality, bow windows are more than a design choice. They're an investment in comfort, lifestyle, and long-term property value.